Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week's spelling list is a great one because it actually goes along with some of the grammar that we've been working on, changing singular nouns into plural nouns, more than one. So at the top you kind of see your headers when we have a base word or a noun that is singular, and then you are changing it to a plural, you're either adding S or ES. Now, there are some rules of thumb when it comes to changing a noun from singular to plural. So we're going to talk about some of those rules today. Now, it can be tricky because some of our base words actually end in E, so it looks like you're adding ES to the word, but you're actually not because the base word is spelled with an E at the end. And we'll go through those words as well. So let's start in our first column. We have the word eyes, boxes, pages, glasses, girls, bosses, speeches, pieces. Then we have inches, bushes, wishes, riches, taxes, coaches, months, and plants. Last column we have dishes, stitches, places, classes, dresses, houses, flashes, badges, and lunches. Now, in grammar, we've been learning that oftentimes when you add an ES onto the end of the word to make it a plural, that word has to end in certain letters. And we're talking about the letters X, CH, SH, S, or Z. And I don't think any of our words this week end in a Z, but that was just one of the letters that we noticed when we were working in our grammar packets. Now, I did say for you to be careful this week, and I'm going to go on the other side here, because some of the words that we're adding S to change it to a plural actually end in E, like the word eyes. So when you spell I, you actually spell it E-Y-E, and then to change it to eyes, you're just adding an S. So you really have to look at that base word without the ending. Let's see if I can find another one. Let's see here. What about places? The base word is place. So you're not adding an ES, even though there's an ES on the end of that word, you're just adding an S to the end of place to make places because it already ends in an E. So you just want to be careful about that. The other ones that end in S, or you're just adding an S, you can kind of see that. Now the words that are ending in ES, that end in X, CH, SH, S, or Z, are the words such as boxes. You see box ends with an X, so you're adding ES. Glasses ends with an S, so you're adding ES. Let's see if we can find one for each. Speeches ends in CH, so you're adding an ES. Bushes ends in an SH, so you're adding ES. And I think that might be it. I think we hit all of the endings there. Yes, we did. There are more that have those endings that add ES, but I'm going to let you go ahead and take a peek and look for those. So really today, with your sort, you really have to look at that base word. Does it end in one of our special letters to add ES? Or are you just adding a regular S onto the end of the base word, even though sometimes that base word ends in an E? If you have any questions, please pop your hand up. I'll be happy to help you. And it's time to grab your scissors and happy sorting.